Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back again with another restaurant review for today. Tonight we'll be going to Pier 35 Bar and Grill, which is by the water, which is beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys the menu, the food, and you know, just kick back and have a good time. Thank you so much for watching and rocking with me. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what other restaurants to go try out, y'all. Like, I eat out a lot, but there's still a lot of cuisines to try. Time to go. Pier 35. Woo woo! Look at her, look at her.
Oh, yeah.
It's a video, you know.
Is it?
Yeah. Look at my date for the day. Come on, I'm gonna put her to work. Sit. You're going to spin? Huh? I'm taking a video. Oh dear. Stefano, where's the drink menu? Mama. Irigo, Irigo. There you go, Mama. Africa. First thing, drinks.
Yeah.
Calamari. I don't know what that bowl is. This one I'm going to chorizo, chicken, and koftas. No one? No. Spatulate, and then the calamari steaks. In Chop Life Gang. Oh, child. Jen. Wait. Panna cotta. Oh, it's even jiggling, guys. It's good. It's a gelatin. The cheesecake. Hold on. Hold your chain of thought. I was like, oh, you see 1-2 bus. Yo. 1-2 bus, baby. So this is the place. We've got the kitchen. Ambience is pretty good. Pink Punk Cosmo. Just like that, we is going home after a lovely dinner. Guys, how cute is it? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Pier 35 Bar and Grill, Port Melbourne, Melbourne, Australia. Ooh, had a good one. The food was so good. I'll definitely give an 8.5. 8.5.